Okay, so keyboard dispatch controls the dispatching logic for key presses to use either code, recommended, or key code. So this is kind of an edge case. Usually you don't really need to change this, but um, VS Code dispatches keys either by code or key code, right? So if you're on Mac OS or Linux, it's going to dispatch that by code. If you're on Windows, it's going to use the key code. Now, if sometimes when you're using virtualization tools and you're accessing your machine through some other software, they change the key codes, right? So, a shift might become some other key, for example. So, if you run into trouble, you can actually try to change this from code to key code and see if it helps. But usually this is the setting that you really don't need to mess around with. But if you do need more information on that, you can go to this page right here. So github.com, Microsoft VS Code Wiki, key binding issues. And you can read up on how this works on VS Code. But for now, I'm going to leave this one in its default, with its default value, which is code.